Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring where you stand. Order fasting glucose, fasting insulin, and A1C so you know the degree of insulin resistance. Once you have results, cut refined carbs by roughly half and prioritize protein and fiber at every meal because they blunt glucose spikes. Make sure to compress eating into a 10 to 12-hour window overnight. This improves insulin sensitivity. By starting labs and immediate dietary shifts, you create objective feedback and an environment where subsequent steps will work. Once diet is stable, you layer in movement because muscle is a primary glucose sink. Do resistance training 3 times a week with compound lifts for 30 to 45 minutes to increase insulin-responsive muscle mass. Then add 2 shorter cardio sessions or post-meal walks to lower postprandial glucose. Also optimize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours and a consistent schedule, since poor sleep raises insulin resistance. Make sure to progress load gradually and track performance to sustain gains and metabolic improvement. Finally, combine monitoring and clinical tools. Share results with your clinician to consider metformin or other therapies when lifestyle changes aren't enough, because medications can lower hepatic glucose output and improve outcomes. You should track weight, waist circumference, and fasting glucose weekly and reassess trends every 4 weeks to guide adjustments. If progress stalls, check for hidden factors like chronic stress, sleep debt, or medications that worsen insulin resistance. Addressing these often breaks plateaus and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.